In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat Sound and Vibration. Then scroll all the way down to click on this switcher next to Vibrate vocals if you want to enable or disable haptic feedback for all of your incoming calls. You can also tap on this one next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Last but not least, most people miss that you can not only enable or disable haptic feedback for gestures and system controls thanks to this switcher, but also if you decide to enable it, you can adjust intensity by operating this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!